I'm Lindsay Belch, and I was a resident here from 1949 to 1951. There are many fond memories of Knox College. There were men from different countries and different provinces of Canada, and it was a wonderful experience. One of the memories I have was of our much respected family minister, Reverend Walter Patterson, and he was visiting Knox College, and just at the time that the water fights were in full progress. And there was a student here who loved to dress up and wear really expensive suits, so he was the target for the water fight. When this student was coming out of the door of Center House, Reverend Walter Patterson was there, and he motioned for the Reverend to go ahead out of respect for his age. And the person with the bucket of water just above the door, on the transit, started to pour the water. And he did hit the Reverend Patterson, who just did not seem the least bit disturbed by it. He walked about 10 paces forward and then turned about and said, now boys, don't make a Baptist out of me. And so there were many stories. It was a wonderful place to live, and I'm so pleased that they always talk now about a home away from home.